Okay, what we'll be doing is a front differential fluid exchange. I'm not taking the cover off because it's not leaking, and when I show you what it looks like under there, you see why I'm not taking it off. I'm just going to do the fluid exchange by itself. Anyways, show you my setup here. I got this on rhino ramps, trying to get the vehicle as level as I can and still get under there. So I put the back wheels on some blocks, plus I got a jack there too, and I got a block on the other side, and I also got some jack stands underneath, so it's pretty safe. Safety is pretty important when you're doing something like this, you know. You don't want to get killed for something stupid. Anyways, here's the oil I'm using, 7590, and I'm going to try out this new pump. I've used these in the past. I used to have a boat, and I would use this for the lower unit, fill it up with oil. I mean, I could use the pump that I'm going to use this pump down here. Let me show you what this pump looks like. Okay, it's a Harbor Freight siphon pump, and what I'm going to do is take in this piece. This is about, the hose that it takes is like 7/8, which is too big to put in the hole into the differential. So I got this little adapter here I put in, and this one's about 5/8. And then I put another hose into this one, which is about a 1/4 inch diameter. So it's 1/4, 5/8, and 7/8. It's pretty rough, but that's about what it is. And this will go into the differential, and this will go into the pump. So let's go under there, see what it looks like. Okay, here she is. It does the drain and fill, and see the cover plate is in here, and you can see it's pretty close to this crossbar. So I don't want to mess with that, and it's not leaking anyway, so why bother? I mean, if it was leaking I would, but just a good drain and fill is gonna make this differential happy anyways. Okay, so let me set this camera up in a position where you can see this while I'm doing it. Okay, I loosen this plug up with a 3/8 ratchet. Yeah, and I'll stick this hose in. Going like this, probably got most of it. I don't expect to get all this fluid out, but if I can get at least a quart out. Okay. You can see it coming out. Okay, so I'll take all this out and I'll be right back. I mean, just using this. See it? Let's see, show you pumping it. Just pump it. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm down to the end. I tried moving this around, but it's sucking air. Okay, now to fill it back up. Okay, I'll take this out. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, we'll cut this open. This tube will go in here. Yeah, that's about right. And so get this in, and it screws right on. You got your nice little pump. So pump it here, and this goes into the differential. All right, let's go down below. Put this in the filler hole. And I'm just gonna keep pumping it till it starts coming out. This stuff's pretty clear. By the way, about a quart came out. I'll be right back. This thing gets near the end. Alright, it's starting to come out. That's it. Okay. Okay, what you want to use is this yellow Teflon tape. It resists gasoline, so it's going to have no problem with oil. And do is just have this facing towards you. You want to go clockwise on the threads. I mean, you probably don't need this stuff. I'm just putting it on and showing you guys, but you just get enough so it wraps around like almost one time. I don't want to put too much on there. There, that's just ready to go on, just like that. Okay, let's take this underneath there and put it on. Okay, I just clean this up after it stops dripping. It pretty much stopped. Put the little drain plug, fill plug in. I guess it's technically called a fill plug, but I call it a drain plug sometimes. Okay, now this I'm gonna snug up. I'm gonna check it with a torque wrench anyways, but I usually just snug these. And okay, to me that feels just about right. I go really slow at the end, and it feels about right. Oh, sorry, camera. It's supposed to be torqued at 18 pounds. See, actually I could have went a little more. Well, that's it, right there. But it probably wouldn't have leaked anyways. But hey, it's good to check it, I guess, with a torque wrench afterwards. Or just use a torque wrench in the first place. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching. See you in the next video. Take care.